Have you ever started a relaxing paddleboard day and ended up needing a chiropractor afterwards? That was me. I went to my chiropractor and he kept having to realign my hips and my back, and he said, "You're doing something." And it dawned on me, it's carrying this inflatable paddleboard under one arm several hundred yards to the place that I launch it. So I was carrying it quite a ways, balancing the board, the paddle, the bag, the water bottle, everything else. And he finally said, "Just stop doing that." So I found this little lifesaver, the Bonnlo Foldable Kayak Cart. Now, it's also for paddleboards, and it has honestly completely changed my paddleboarding routine. Now, the cart is aluminum alloy, very lightweight, but don't let that fool you. This weighs almost nothing. Now, these tires come off really easily. You don't need to inflate them. They just come off. So when I get to the launch site, I take them off and I'm going to put them on my paddleboard, okay? To carry them while I'm paddleboarding. But when you put it back on, you just poke this little part into two holes, flip over the little ring. Presto, couldn't be anything easier. And then, let me take this off. I have these two straps on either side. It comes with two straps. And you just lift the paddleboard up and on it. Now this only weighs 20 pounds. But when I'm carrying it a long distance with all my other gear, it adds up and it's very awkward. So you just put it on. Straps on. Now it says this is only for a 31-foot wide boat, but mine's 33 inches, as you can tell, but it fits anyway. There's a ratchet strap here, so however you want to do this, I keep it pretty simple. Just thread it in. Wrap it. Same thing with the other one. And you can place these on different parts of your board, wherever you think it's comfortable for you. Tighten that up. There, that's tight. Tight. All right, now I load it up and I'm going to take off. Paddle on. Water. That leg. Now watch this. Pick it up, and off we go. Couldn't be easier. And when I get to where I'm going, I'm simply going to reverse that whole process, take the wheels off, and put that little cart under the tethers at the front, and off I go. So please do yourself a favor, make life easier on you, save yourself some money at the chiropractor, and get this, everything folds down easily. And if you're tired of struggling to keep your kayak or paddleboard to the launch site, or you simply want to make your adventures easier on your body, I absolutely recommend this. Just click below and get yours today.